I wanted to show you, this is what I love about having a dealer's license. I purchased this 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee from Mannheim, four-wheel drive, automatic, inline 6-cylinder. I purchased this Jeep for $1,100, and it was a good Jeep, but I lifted it 3 inches. I put new headlights in it. I put new crossbars on it, new all-terrain tires on it. I had a good foundation on it. So currently I'm in the process of continuing to work on the vehicle here, and I just love doing this. I'm a big kayaker. I like getting out on rivers and oceans and floating around, but I just love these Jeeps, and currently I've got about 5 of them, and I just wanted to show you what you can do with your dealer's license while you're making some money. So I want to encourage each and every one of you to get out and get to some of these auctions if you love cars like I do, and I have certain cars that I really like to deal with, and a lot of people ask me, well, which cars do you make more money on? And that's not necessarily my motivation. I do enjoy making money, of course, but I enjoy my pastimes as well. You know, do what you love to do. Have fun doing what you love to do, and let the money be a result of your enthusiasm that you have on your vehicles. This vehicle, like I said, I wound up, I had a real good foundation. It's very clean on the inside. It was dirty when I got it. It didn't have nearly the eye appeal that it does now. Hopefully you find it that it has the same eye appeal. But it was very clean. I started with a good foundation. Now the main thing is, it's got 286,000 miles on it, but still runs like a champ. It's got a moonroof on it as well. Leather interior, very clean leather interior. So let your passion be what guides you first, and worry about making money secondly.